Hi guys, Isha this side and I hope you are doing great. Today I am talking about REPT function in DAX. What is this function all about, how you can use it and much more. So let's get started. To explain about this function, I have created small table. As you can see on my screen, it's a product table. It has 3 columns: product, total sales and product rating. This is a random rating generated between numbers 1 to 5. So before I put REPT function into use, first let's check out what is the explanation of this function in Microsoft site. As you can see, REPT function repeats a text given number of times. This is the syntax and there are few other details around this function. So if number of times is 0, it returns a blank and so on and so forth. You guys can check it out. Now let's check 2-3 cases of this function. I'll go to my table, add new measure and let me name it as test 1. Let me say REPT. I can give any text, random text, ABC, number of times I can say 3. And let me see if it's working. I'll insert a card, put this measure here, and as you can see, ABC is repeated twice. Let me change this number to say 0. So it should return blank. Yes, now we are getting blank values. One very prominent use case of this function is creating a rating. As you can see in my table, there is this column of product rating, but the rating is in numerals. What if we want rating in text or maybe some emoticon? Let's see how we can do it. I'll go to new measure again. Let me name it as rating REPT. Now it's asking for text. I can choose any emoticon. I'll go to Google, search for any emoticon, say star if I want. I'll copy it and put it here. Close the string and number of times would be sum of my rating table. Now if I insert a table, one column is products, another would be rating. And as you can see, I have rating across each and every of the products. We can remove this total value by using format function. So we are sorted. That's one of the ways we can use this REPT function. Also, if you have a rating of say 5 stars, 4 stars, 1 star, but you don't want to show rest of the stars as blank, what further we can add to our formula is, we can say and REPT. Say I want thumbs down for blank ratings. Then I can again go to emoticon, search thumbs down, copy it here, paste it as a string and repeat number of times would be, I have maximum rating of 5, so I can say 5 minus sum of product rating column. And as you can see, the blank are getting replaced with thumbs down. So depends how you can use this function, and it's one of the important use cases of REPT function. I hope this video is useful to you guys. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.